Hello, everyone. Welcome to E-commerce Problem Solvers. This is Juliet, and I'm going to discuss a little bit about what it takes to be in real estate. Well, you notice that I'm on fishing pictures, and I thought that I would just show a few of these as we discuss the fact that real estate is like fishing. See, you put a line out there for a long time, and then all of a sudden, you get that fish or you get the big fish. Um, Real estate investing is a numbers game, and that's why I compare it to fishing. Because you have to keep putting something out there in order to get a response from people. So if you're looking for homes to buy, the best thing you can do is just pump out more and more leads. Those can be done with letters. Those can be done in person. I would do them probably in letters and phone calls first. And you want to find a motivated seller, right? Just like you're looking for a hungry fish. This is somebody who maybe is in a struggle, or maybe the house is too big for them now, or maybe maybe it's too small for them and they're looking for something better, but it's not repaired to market value. That's how you start moving forward in real estate. You have to take it one step at a time. And the best thing that you can do is you reach out. The more you reach out, the more likely you're going to have replies. And that's to, I use all those signs that you see on the side of the road that are written by hand. And I reach out to a ton of investors. I now, since I've been doing this for, in my new area for like the last 3 years, I get emails every single solitary day. I've gotten up to about 35 or 40 emails every day, and some of those emails are carrying 10 different properties that they're looking for a buyer for. And so with real estate being like fishing, you have to be patient. You have to make sure that you have all the right equipment, right? All the right information. And if you're looking for quality leads, we have a lead service, and I will put a link in the description below so you can go right to the website. And our leads are it's a 50 minimum leads, and they're $1 a piece, and they're delivered electronically, and those leads can be narrowed down by county. So with that, I say thank you very much for your time. I'm going to start doing these videos almost every day, probably about 4 or 5 days a week. I'm going to be putting out videos on different things like how to figure out the profit margin and what is gross versus net income. So with that, I will say thank you very much for your time, and you have a wonderful day.